Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English conversation practice. My name is Alex. Today we are going to practice easy English together. You do not need to hurry. You do not need perfect English. Perfect English is tired. Simple English is happy. Please listen carefully. Today I am here with my friend. Her name is Alina. Hello, Alina. How are you today?
Hello, Alex. I am fine, thank you. I feel calm. I feel happy to be here. And I feel a little excited.
That is good. Excited is okay. I am excited too. But not too much. Just a little. Thank you for joining us today, Alina.
Thank you, Alex. I am happy to practice English with you.
Alina, let's start slowly. Please introduce yourself.
Okay. My name is Miss Alina. You can call me Alina. I am 26 years old. I live in a small city. It is a quiet city. I like my city because it is peaceful. There is less noise and less traffic. That makes me happy.
That sounds very nice. I like quiet places too. Who do you live with?
I live with my parents. Sometimes I spend time with my friends. My friends talk a lot, so sometimes it is not very quiet.
Yes, friends are never quiet. What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to relax. I like to listen to music. I like to watch videos. And I like to learn English.
That is wonderful. You are very productive. Why do you want to learn English?
I want to learn English because it is important. English helps me communicate. English helps me feel confident. English helps me grow. Alex, can I ask you some questions?
What? You want to ask me? Of course. Please ask. I am ready.
Why do you like teaching English?
That is a good question. I like teaching English because I like helping people. I like simple English. Simple English makes people comfortable.
Do you always feel confident when you speak English?
No, not always. Sometimes I make mistakes too.
Really?
Yes, really. I am human, not a robot.
That makes me feel better.
Now let's talk about your daily routine. What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 7 in the morning. When I wake up, I feel a little sleepy. Sometimes I want to sleep more, but my alarm clock is very strong.
Ha ha ha. Yes, alarm clocks are very powerful.
Yes, so I get out of bed. First, I brush my teeth. Then, I wash my face. After that, I look in the mirror. Sometimes I say, good morning, Alina. Sometimes I say, 5 more minutes, please.
That is very honest. Do you drink water in the morning?
Yes, I drink 1 glass of water. It helps my body. It helps me feel fresh.
Good habit. What about breakfast?
I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock. I usually eat eggs and bread. Sometimes I eat fruit. Sometimes I drink coffee, but not too much coffee. Too much coffee makes me talk too fast.
Yes, and we like slow English. Many people are afraid to speak English. Alina, how do you feel when you speak English?
Ha ha ha. Sometimes I feel shy. Sometimes I feel nervous. I am afraid of making mistakes.
It's very normal. Mistakes are our friends. Sometimes funny friends. Do you remember your first time speaking English?
I was very scared. My voice was quiet. My hands were shaking. I said 1 sentence. Then I stopped. I thought, okay, that is enough English for today.
Ha ha ha. That is a very common feeling. How do you practice now?
I practice every day. I speak to myself. I speak in front of the mirror. Sometimes I talk to my mirror. The mirror never answers, but it listens very well.
That is perfect practice. Alina, do you work or study?
Ha ha ha. I work. I work in an office. I help customers every day.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job, but I want to improve myself. Alex, can I ask you something?
Yes, please.
What is your dream?
My dream is simple. I want people to feel confident. I want people to enjoy learning English.
That is a nice dream.
Now let's practice simple questions together. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta. I like pasta because it is delicious and easy to eat.
What is your favorite day of the week?
My favorite day is Sunday. I can relax on Sunday. No alarm clock. Hehe.
Good answer. What do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I relax. I watch videos. I study English again. Sometimes I feel tired. but I still try.
Alina, you did an amazing job today. Thank you for speaking slowly and clearly.
Thank you, Alex. This conversation helped me feel confident and relaxed.
Please remember, you do not need fast English. You do not need perfect English. You need simple English. You need daily practice. Practice a little every day. Smile when you make mistakes. Do not give up. Thank you for listening. See you in the next English conversation.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep learning. You can do it. And don't forget to subscribe.